Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to change hotspot password in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to change your hotspot password in your Tecno mobile, so how to change it today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. And before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to change hotspot password in Tecno phone device. First of all guys, open your Tecno phone setting. So guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting, Wi-Fi setting. Then guys, you can see your hotspot setting. So guys, click on hotspot setting. Then guys, click on Wi-Fi hotspot, and guys personal hotspot guys you want to enable, you want to use. So guys, you can enable, and you want to share, so guys you can share from here also your personal hotspot you can share. So guys, we want to change guys only hotspot password. So hotspot setting, click here guys, click on your password. You can check your current password. So guys, I will cut this password, new password guys. Now we will change. For example guys, suppose I will take guys 1234567890 and 0987654321. This long digit password guys, I will change it in my Tecno phone. And friends, you will have to click on save hotspot setting guys. You will not click, you will direct back. So guys, hotspot password will not change, so you will have to click on save change tab here. Friends, now you can check we have this new hotspot password 12345678900987654321. And friends, you want to change your hotspot device name, so friends you can change also if you want. So you can change, example like mobile, I will change into Tecno mobile, and save hotspot setting, click here. So like that guys, we can change hotspot password in Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to change hotspot password. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.